Hello there everyone, welcome once again to Maths by Gurpreet Sekhon. We have been discussing some concepts regarding probability. In the previous video, we have discussed the problem of two dice thrown simultaneously. We have discussed about the outcomes by taking some of the examples that will surely help you in doing sums. Today, the central idea of today's topic is two coins problem. We will firstly talk about the one coin problem and then we will move to two coins problem. So today's video can be a bit brief and can be a bit short because there is nothing much in this problem, but of course I would like to discuss it separately in order to assist you. Now, firstly, if there is a case, if there is a statement given that one coin is thrown, right, or tossed, that would be the correct word. One coin is tossed and we have to find the probability that there is a head on the top, right? What's the formula of probability? Of course, favorable over total outcomes. I'm writing it in short form. Now, when a coin is tossed, firstly, to find the probability, we have to write the expected outcomes, the total number of outcomes. So when one coin is tossed, what can be there on the top? It can be either head or tail. There can be nothing else apart from these two. Now, we have to find the probability that there is a head on the top of the face. So, how many total outcomes are there? Of course, 2. And what is our favorable? Only 1. So 1 upon 2 will be probability of getting head on the top. Now probability of tail. Of course, total number of outcomes will remain same. It will be 2. And what will be our favorable? Of course, it is also 1 because tail can occur only once in one toss. So 1 upon 2. So you can see that probability of head as well as tail is same. It's 50-50% that it can be head or it can be tail. That's why it is also a problem. It is given in your book as well that why all the cricket matches are started with the toss, because it's a very fair way of deciding who will go first, who should bat first, who should bowl first, because there is the probabilities same 50% and 50%. Now this was a very easy thing because most of the times it is discussed in the 9th classes concepts, but now we are going to discuss about the problem involving toss of two coins, right? It's a bit different but not difficult at all. So two coin problem. Now for example, two coins are tossed. As we have done in the previous video that how to write the outcomes of two dice, we have to write the outcomes of two coins first. So what can be there? On the first coin, it can be head. On the second coin, it can be head, right? On the first coin, it can be head. On the second coin, it can be tail. On the first coin, it can be tail. On the second coin, it can be head. On the first coin, it can be head. It can be tail, and on the second coin, it can be tail again. So apart from these four, there are no other possible outcomes, right? Because it can be head tail, tail head, and tail. So these are the four possible outcomes in a single toss of two coins or in two tosses of one coin. It's one and a same thing. So now let's explain it with an example. So sometimes the sum like this can be there, like find the probability that there should be head on at least one coin. That at least there should be head on one coin. It means at least there should be one head and at most there can be two as well. So what are the outcomes in which the head is involved? Of course 3, and total number of outcome is 4. So this will be the probability of the given case. Apart from that, sometime there is no head on any coin. So these three will be excluded and this will be counted, and 1 upon 4 will be its probability. So in this way you just have to think very carefully that what kind of outcome the statement is talking about and it's asking us to do, what kind of case is that. In that case, and of course you must be knowing how to make the sample space or the sample outcomes or the expected outcomes, so as to know the total number of outcomes as well as the favorable number of outcomes, right? So this was all about coins problem, either it's one coin or two coins problem, and by taking some examples from your book, from internet, from anywhere, you can practice these problems very carefully. All right, so it was a short video, and thanks for watching. And one major topic of probability, that is cards topic, we will be discussing in the next video for sure. All right, till then, keep practicing, have a good day and all the very best, and don't forget to subscribe my channel before leaving, because it will really motivate me to deliver more videos like these for you guys, right? So have a good day, see you in the next video.